I'm Si Haraway. I'm the Business Development Manager here at METCLEAN. We are a subsidiary of the Mobile Eco Tuning Group, and we are excited to bring to you the latest in DPF cleaning. 7 years of experience ourselves cleaning DPFs, have gone into the manufacturing, designing of these new machines, and we are very excited to revolutionise the market in DPF cleaning. So we've been cleaning DPFs for 7 years ourselves. We've had various machines from various manufacturers, never been quite happy with any of them. We've had niggles and problems along the way, which has led us to design and build what we feel is a market-leading machine. With these new machines, we've really concentrated on the filtration. We've got 7 separate filters on both the XL and the S. We've got a pneumatic grab handle which comes down to hold the DPF in place rather than a ratchet strap. All of this is on a touchscreen panel which is super user-friendly, and somebody can be trained in a very short period of time. On top of that, we have an unrivaled customer service package that will be coming with each one of our machines, and believe it or not, nearly double the features for almost half the price. So in the past, we have experienced non-CE approved machines. All of our machines are built to the CE approved guidelines, making sure everything that we manufacture and supply is of the highest quality. Being very safety conscious, and the XL flagship model having a fully pneumatic door, we've got a 2-button opening and closing system to make sure that you can't get any body parts trapped in the door. We've also got 2 emergency stop buttons on both machines, and a fully automated system, whereas if the machine sees any faults at all on any circuits, it shuts it down straight away. So our machines are very user-friendly. Each machine will come with full on-site training upon delivery, an instruction manual, and we have a team of friendly staff in the office ready to help. And if help can't be given over the phone, we will send an engineer to site. So we've been cleaning DPFs now for 7 years, and in that time we fine-tuned the water pressure, the air pressure and the water temperature, and in combination with our cleaning products, this gives us the best possible clean of a DPF. So we're always looking for advances in DPF technology, so we stay at the forefront of DPF cleaning. So from our experience and looking at our competitors, we are very proud to bring our range to market, not only from the technological perspective, but for its affordability and value for money. So for any more information on any of our products, please head on over to mobileecotuning.com.